Hi everyone. So last time we did a tour of the old campus, and if you remember, we left at the underpass. So I thought this time I'll show you a glimpse of the new campus. In order to reach the new campus, you need to cross this underpass. And if you're living on campus for your MBA program, you're going to have to cross this more than 1,000 times because the first year classrooms are in the new campus, whereas the second year classes take place in the old campus. Once you cross the underpass, you'll see a point like this. From here, you can go four ways. Towards the left will be the food joints. If you go straight and take a left, you'll find the dorms. Towards straight and right is the IMDC block, and finally, towards the right are the classrooms. Let's start from the classrooms, which are on the first floor of this building. And to show you what you see when you climb the stairs, let me give you a glimpse of this video that I shot of a friend. And if you're wondering what he's wearing, I'm going to disclose it ahead. This pathway looks really beautiful at night, and if you have seen Two States, then this is also the place where Krish was sitting before he proposed to Ananya. But a point to be noted here, our placements don't take place in the classrooms as incorrectly shown in the movie. I'll show you ahead where our placements are held. Towards the right of this hallway, we have the CR lawns. This is the place where we fret about the quizzes and we revise our last minute formulas, which generally don't come into play. Okay, so now let me take you to the classrooms. This is section A, which was my section, and this is also called as CR7. Let me also show you a glimpse of the first ever class I attended at IIM Ahmedabad. And just before we return to the underpass, want to show you the hallway which is on the ground floor. Here we have all the seminar rooms. Alright, so we are back at the underpass point and let's take a left to check out the food joints. There are two of them. The first one is Radhika's. So Radhika's is a South Indian food outlet where you find one of the most healthiest options on the campus. And the second one is Campus Cafe, earlier known as Nescafe, which is run by Bhavesh Bhai. This place has the best Maggie on campus. You'll also find iced tea, cold coffee, and he's the kindest person to talk to. So many times I've gone to this place at 3 a.m. and I've had Maggie. Okay, we are back to the same point of underpass now, and let's go to the dorms next. Some dorms have an entrance like this, whereas others look like this. But the essential component of the new campus dorms, which I am pretty jealous of because the old campus dorms didn't have them, is the common room. These common rooms are so spacious that we used to have all our tea night practices here. So, tea night is basically an intersection competition. We have dance, music, and a lot of other things. And if you remember, I showed you a video before that was also of tea night because our section was called as Anarchy. Another special thing about the new campus dorms is that they have attached lawns where most of the festivals take place, for example, Lodi or Holi or even Matki 4 for that matter. Another place next to the dorms is SAB, which is Student Activity Block. Here you have a seating area, some board games, gym, as well as a dining outlet. Okay, we are back to the same point, but now we are left with only one leg of this journey. So let's go on towards the straight and take a right to go to the IMA store. This is the Vimvian Lounge, but there's a store as well. And if you haven't heard of the term Vimvi or Vimvian, you can Google it on your own. But something I really like about this logo is that if you read only the red alphabets, you'll be able to read IMA. Let's go on to the most beautiful part of the new campus, which I absolutely love. It's called IMDC. This is where most of the official meetings or official things take place, like our placements. So if you see the red carpet on the rightmost picture, that's for our placements. And now to clarify the point, this is where our placements take place, unlike in the Two States movie where they did show the IMDC campus, but they showed the interviews taking place in the classrooms, which is not the case. They take place over here. Alright, so our journey is just about to end. This is the pathway that you can see leading to the main road. So if you follow the lights that you can see over here, you'll reach the main gate of IIM Ahmedabad. So this is how it looks like, and this is where you can enter the new campus from. Alright folks, this is all from my end. I hope you liked the video and I hope it instilled some amount of confidence and inspiration in you. If you also want to read more about life at IMA, I have shared some links in the description that you can go through in your spare time. Hope you have fun reading them. Bye bye.